Why do some people speak English fluently while others struggle for years? It's not about talent, it's about technique. Today, I'm going to reveal a simple daily routine that rewires your brain for automatic English, even if you're starting from zero. Welcome to Learn English Bold. I'm Lucy, and in this session, we're going to start speaking your daily routine in English. It's an easy and powerful way to begin your speaking and listening journey with just one small habit. Before we begin, I want to tell you a short story. There was a boy named Arun. He watched English videos, he learned grammar. He even memorized 100 words every day. But he still couldn't speak fluently. He felt frustrated, embarrassed, stuck. Then one day, his English teacher told him, "Fluency is not about how much you know. It's about what you say every day with your own voice." So Arun started a simple habit. Every day, he spoke about his daily routine in English, out loud, with feeling, with repetition. And slowly, his voice became stronger. His fear disappeared. He didn't just study English, he started to live it. And now, you're about to do the same. So, grab a notebook or just stand up. Speak with me. Repeat every line twice, loud and clear. Let's make English your daily habit. So now it's your turn. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to speak. I'll guide you through real-life examples, starting with your morning, afternoon, and evening routine. You'll repeat after me. You'll shadow my sentences. You'll feel the words, not just understand them. This is not about perfection. It's about progress. Before we begin, here are a few tips to get the most from this lesson. 1. Listen to me first. 2. Say, "Repeat after me," and try to match my voice and rhythm. 3. Pause the video if you need more time. 4. Speak out loud, not just in your head. And 5. Relax your body and speak like you're talking to a friend. This is not a test. This is training. So enjoy the process. Let's begin with the morning. I'll say each sentence and you'll repeat after me, clearly, slowly, with confidence. Exercise 1. Wake up routine. Why this exercise? The first sentences of your day shape your thoughts and your energy. This builds confidence and creates an English-speaking mindset from the moment you wake up. Repeat after me, twice each. I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 6 a.m. I stretch my body. I stretch my body. I open the window. I open the window. I feel the fresh air. I feel the fresh air. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I look in the mirror and smile. I look in the mirror and smile. Awesome! You just completed your first English workout of the day. Your voice is now warmed up. Keep going. Exercise 2. Breakfast time. Why this exercise? We often eat without thinking, but now we connect your actions to English. You'll speak, visualize, and build real fluency, sentence by sentence. Repeat after me. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of tea. I make a cup of tea. I eat eggs and toast. I eat eggs and toast. I drink water. I drink water. I sit at the table. I sit at the table. I enjoy my food slowly. I enjoy my food slowly. Well done! You're not just learning English, you're living it. Let's keep the flow going. Exercise 3. Getting ready. Why this exercise? When you speak about things you do daily, like getting dressed, your English becomes practical and automatic. Repeat after me. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. I wear my shoes. I wear my shoes. I check my phone. I check my phone. I feel ready for the day. I feel ready for the day. Great job! You're becoming more fluent with every repetition. Ready for the next part? Exercise 4. Going out or movement. Why this exercise? Movement connects your body and mind. Speaking while imagining walking or traveling trains your brain to use English in real situations. Repeat after me. I leave the house. I leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I see people around me. I see people around me. I hear traffic and birds. I hear traffic and birds. I listen to music in my earphones. I listen to music in my earphones. Excellent! You're building real-world English power. Let's take it to the next level. Exercise 5. Work. Why this exercise? Fluency is not just for casual talk. It's for focus, work, and professionalism. This trains your brain to think like an English speaker at work or school. Repeat after me. I sit at my desk. I open my laptop. I check my schedule. I complete my tasks. I stay focused. I enjoy learning something new. You're doing fantastic. You're not just practicing English, you're practicing success. Exercise 6. Evening time. Why this exercise? Evening is the perfect time to reflect and speak English slowly. It helps your brain remember and relax. Repeat after me. I come home. I change my clothes. I talk to my family. I eat dinner peacefully. I feel relaxed and calm. That was gentle and beautiful. You're now reflecting in English, and that's real fluency. Exercise 7. Bedtime. Close your day in English. Why this exercise? Your last thoughts before sleep are powerful. Let's make them English, positive and peaceful. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth. I think about my day. I feel proud of myself. I sleep peacefully. Beautiful. You've just lived your whole day in English. This is the key to fluency. Speaking real English daily with joy. Say it, feel it, write it. That one word will build your vocabulary and self-belief. You did it. You spoke English for your full routine, with your voice, with power. Come back tomorrow. Speak it again. The more you repeat, the more fluent you become. Remember, fluency doesn't come from knowing. It comes from doing. And you just did something powerful. I'm proud of you. See you tomorrow.